west, we saw some very strong gusts of wind going into this morning, and particularly so across Scotland and northeast England. The bad news is it's going to remain windy right the way through this coming week. At least this afternoon, the winds have eased for a time. But let me show you this. The next few days, winds coming in from the Atlantic. That does mean it will be mild, but those winds always strong, gale force, perhaps even severe gale forces in one or two places. Now today, the wind certainly blew the cloud very swiftly and the rain southeastwards. It's still sitting across England and Wales at the moment, but behind it, it turns sunny and there's plenty of showers in the north and the west. So this afternoon, an improvement for many. The winds lighter than they've been, but still touching gale force in the northwest and for a time down in the east as well. That rain getting blown away eventually. The temperature today, 10 to 11 degrees, but behind the rain band, only around 7 to 9. And when you add in the effect of the wind, suddenly feeling cooler than that. Now this evening, we will eventually lose this rain, but it will leave the roads and pavements wet, so we could have a risk of ice as the temperatures fall away for a time overnight. To the north and the west, though, no such problems here because the winds will be picking up and we will see the temperatures staying around 4 to 5 degrees. Now the winds picking up overnight and into Wednesday, again reaching severe gale force across northern Britain. We could see some damaging gusts of wind up to around 70 miles an hour in places, particularly across Scotland and perhaps also northern England. Now for Wednesday morning, then, that windy weather already there, so too the wet weather, almost a repeat performance of today. That rain hurrying its way down towards the southeast during the afternoon, turning brighter behind, although perhaps not as quickly as today. But certainly I think Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern England will see the brighter weather and one or two showers. The top temperatures again in double figures in the south, to the north around 7 to 8, but again in the winds feeling cooler than that. Now Thursday, I'm showing you this chart for one reason really. Look at those tightly packed isobars. That means it's going to be very windy once more. And these weather fronts coming in will bring more rain, mainly to the northwest, but that rain will start to come southwards on Friday. And then on Saturday, again, very tight isobars. That means very windy weather once more. So Thursday, the rain mainly confined to the north and the west. England and Wales drier, but still very cloudy. That rain coming southwards on Friday, followed by brighter skies. Saturday, brighter to the north, but windy and wet in the south. So have those reinforced brollies at the ready.